is going on, everyone? You got a 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Today we're going to reset the oil life. All right, so if we look at the cluster, we're going to use the cluster and these buttons right here on your steering wheel. Okay, now if you press up, notice that how number 1 is driver information. If I go down, number 2, okay, is vehicle information. This is where we want to be. Now we're going to push over to the right, Right now it's at 72% oil life. It says hold OK to reset. Now if we hold OK to reset, it tells you you're going to need to turn the car off. All right, so the car is running right now. We're going to go ahead, engine start, stop, off. We're going to keep our foot off the brake, hit engine start 1 time. Everything powers up, but the car doesn't start. Come over here, hit OK. The menu pops back up right where we left off. Now we're going to press and hold OK to reset. Resets to 100%. That's it. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate you dropping me a like, leave me a comment, and I'll see you again in another video.